Bros, be honest.
Like that.
Okay. Bros, now you gotta try it.
Oh, I like that. So I gotta what?
Try it with the ranch.
Let's see. Like us. The ranch. Oh yeah. That ranch tastes different. I like that.
Bros, the hot honey lemon before the ranch.
The ranch.